In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint this 4th of July teddy bear item. For this item, you'll need the Kimple Intense Translucent colors, and then some paint brushes and a soft cotton rag for pulling it back. I purchased this bisque from wrapitup.com. I really like this website because it shows the items painted, but they'll come unpainted. And I'll show the name of that website on a screen here next. Using Kimple's walnut, paint the entire piece, full strength in it. This is what it looks like painted. Using your rag, start pulling it back. This is what it looks like antiqued in Kimple's walnut. For the teddy bear, I'm going to take Kimple's topaz, put a little bit of it on my rag, then on a palette, rub it in. You don't want it to be thick on your rag. And I'm just going to go over and just lightly brush all the teddy bear pieces. Using Kimple's Ruby, I'm going to paint the stripes on the flag. I'll paint it full strength. This is what it looks like painted red. For this particular item, normally with the Kimple colors, you paint them on and then wipe them back. But for this item, you're just going to leave it red, full strength, and do the same with the white. Next, I'm going to do all the white stripes using Kimple's. So I just have a little bit of it on my paintbrush, and you really don't need a lot. You kind of want the antiquing to show through, so just very gently paint it on, and it's transparent, so some of that darkness will show through. This is what it looks like with the items painted white, the parts painted white. For the blue, I mixed Kimple's sapphire and white together and got this color. And so first paint it on full strength. So this is, it painted full strength in that light blue. Using a Q-tip, since this is a small area, I'll just start pulling it back. Just rub in a circular motion. For the Papa Bear, I'm going to go full strength in Kimple's Sapphire. And so step one is to paint that on full strength. Using a rag or a Q-tip, start pulling this back. Using Kimple's Primrose, put a little bit of on a Q-tip and just dab it on the cheeks, inside of the ears. down the nose, and then switch to the clean side. And gently pull this back. This is what it looks like pulled back. It's very soft. You can make it, however, give them as much blush as you want. I'm getting ready to do the eyes, and on the girl teddy bear, I always like to do an eyeshadow color that matches another color on the item. So this time I did the same blue that was on her dress. And this item is very small, so it's going to be too difficult to show you how I do the eyes. But I have a couple other videos on how I paint eyes, and I always do, the technique is always the same. You cover the entire eye in white, then you do the iris, which I'll probably do in blue. Again, I like to match that color to the item. Then black for the iris, and then a little white dot in the 2 o'clock position on each eye, and then the eyelashes. But again, just watch my video on how to paint eyes. This is the finished piece. I hope it inspires you to try out the Kimple colors, and happy painting.